Hello, my name is Angelique and you are watching R&R Mom Plans. In today's video, it is a plan with me and my kiddos section for the week of October 11th through the 17th. I used the Mickey and Minnie extension pack instead of a planner for my kids. I am testing the waters to see if this is something that will actually help me whenever I am planning my weekly schedules because my kids' schedules are more complex than mine are. If you watched last week's video, then you know that I used Planner Basics for the dates, and then I used the journaling sticker book for the days of the week. I moved them around. I went ahead and did the rest of the month so that it wouldn't take up any time for any future videos for this month. If it works out, I'll probably predate November before recording as well. So in this week's plan with me, I want to use Hooray Seasons. I want to use the Magic Plans, and I think this is color blocks Disney, and then Magic Plan Disney, and then Hooray Seasons. I'm actually just going to pick one page from the Hooray Seasons. I'm going to decorate it, and then I'm going to add the Disney characters that I want to use for this layout, and that is it. Okay, so on Monday they actually do not have any school. I think I only have 2 out of the 3. And then Tuesday through Friday. Actually, this is a very complex week as well. One child was on fall break starting last week, and a different child is on fall break starting this week. So they did not, one's in homeschool and the other one is in public school. So I thought they were together. They were not. All right, so let's pick one page from this. Actually, I'm going to pick this one. So I'm going to use this as a sidebar. And then Isaac starts his fall break here. Excuse me. Riker's fall break ends here. So we'll put it here. I don't want to cover that one. Gotta go above the blue line for these to fit. Uh-oh, got a crinkle. Okay. And then I'll use Raylan on the weekend. We are having Riker's birthday party here. I'll put that one. Maybe. Excuse me. You know when a sticker's freshly sat, it'll come back up. Now, if it's already been a while, then I don't know if it's gonna come up easy or not. I just need the bottom half of it. There we go. Okay, so if anything, he's still gonna have football practice. He's still gonna have football practice. He actually has school on these days. Comes home on this day. And then Raylan's schedule is pretty simple, so we'll just decorate with dots. Hopefully I can get like 1 dot per page. Or per date. Sorry. Let's see. Let's go more. Still has a game on Saturday. No practice, nothing. So, you know what? I wanted to do this, so let's do. His birthday is the 19th, but we are going to celebrate it on the 17th. And that's really it. Like, I have like 3 dots. You could use. There you go. 1 sticker sheet. That is it. Let me look at. So let me see what we're going to use for. We could still use these. I'm not going to label it. Last week I labeled it here. This is where I get like so like, oh, I need to match everything. So let's just do this. We got a little bit of yellow. And then we can bring in some gold minis. Gold mini there. Sassy Tassy right there. And I may come back and get some of these. And then we'll do the same thing. Only problem is I'm not going to have anything for Isaac. And that's not cool. I get to work. We'll do that for school. He goes back to school on this day. I ordered more sticker books and then I ended up ordering this one twice. So now I have 2 of these. Let's see. I have some gold Mickeys. And it's his birthday party here. Okay, I'm gonna have to move her. Ball break here. Let's move. Oh man, should I pull that up? I'm about to be super sad. I think it really pulled it up. It's okay. Maybe I'll find something else. Maybe I can find something cute to go right there. Or I can use my yellow pen and see if it'll. It's a little off, but better light than dark. Alright. Okay, let's go and see what's in this one real quick so I can see if I can pull some of the other characters. I don't know if the other characters are going to be in gold. Or maybe just trying really hard to stick to this pattern and it's not even. I love this one because that is so him. I'm gonna go ahead and use this. Excuse me. Alright. He has this one. Put his little goofy face right there. I've already cut Goofy out of that. And then let's use this one. Okay, I think that's it. I do want to come up with some little quote right here because I like to use those at the top of my post. What about that? Let's see, is it gonna touch? I'm gonna go just below it. Alright, there's my quote for the week. Alright, I think that's gonna be it. Alright. So with this week, this is the layout. This is what I did. So I used one page from the Hooray Seasons, and then because I am utilizing these from just my kids section of my planner system that I have going on, those are the sticker books that I used. This is from October 11th through the 17th, and I think it's gonna work. I mean, this is a lot more color, but actually I like it, and it's gonna be functional. Even if I wanted to, I could probably like just decorate the top, because Raylan's schedule is pretty much eat, nap, play, eat, nap, play, eat, nap, play. All right. I want to thank you for watching, and I hope that this spread brings you inspiration to your planning style. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. To stay in the loop when videos are uploaded, just go ahead and hit that notification bell. I love hearing from you in your comments, and until next time.